Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kaufman County in north central Texas, northwestern Henderson County in central Texas, east central Ellis County in north central Texas, northeastern Navarro County in north central Texas, until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Alma, 7 miles southeast of Ennis, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ennis, Gun Barrel City, Maybank, Toole, 7 Points, Camp, Alma, Enchanted Oaks, Cedar Creek Reservoir, Flag Lake, Bryce, Paine Springs, Chatfield, Toledo, Stubbs, Becker, Telosa, Prairieville, Lively, and Peeltown. This includes Interstate 45 between mile markers 238 and 252. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central and north central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.